Experiment number 20. Objective. Analyze the various types of tolerances and applications and to know the fundamental of the system of fits. Introduction. In the early days, majority of the components were actually mated together, their dimensions being adjusted until the required types of fit was obtained. But with the passage of time, engineers and workers realized that the variation in the sizes of the part had always present and that such variations could be restricted but not avoided. It has also been realized that exact size components are difficult to produce. Any attempt towards very close dimensions of a product will increase cost of the production. The functional aspects of the component may be achieved even without going for its exact dimension using limits, fit and tolerances. This reduces the unit cost of production and increase the rate of production. For example, a shaft of exact 10 mm diameter is difficult to produce by machining process, but if you provide tolerance, that is the amount of variation permitted in the size, then such parts can be easily produced. A dimension 10 plus minus 0.05 means a shaft may be produced between 10.05 and 9.95. These two figures represent limit and the difference 10.05 minus 9.95 equal 0.10 is called tolerance. Fits and their classifications. When two parts are to be assembled, the relation resulting from the difference between their sizes before assembly is called a fit. A fit may be defined as the degree of tightness and looseness between two matching parts. The important terms related to the fit are given below. Clearance. In a fit, this is the difference between the sizes of the hole and the shaft. Before assembly, when this difference is positive, the clearance may be maximum clearance and minimum clearance. Minimum clearance in the fit is the difference between the maximum size of the hole and the minimum size of the shaft. Interference. It is the difference between the size of the hole and the shaft before assembly when the difference is negative. The interference may be maximum or minimum. Maximum interference is arithmetical difference between the minimum size of the hole and the maximum size of the shaft before assembly. Minimum interference is the difference between the maximum size of hole and the minimum size of the shaft. Transition. It is between clearance and interference, where the tolerance zones of the holes and shaft overlap. So you can see that fields depend upon the actual limits of the hole and or shaft and can be divided into three general classes: clearance feet, interference feet, transition feet. Clearance feet. In clearance feet, an air space or clearance exists between the shaft and hole as shown in figure 2.1. Such fits give loose joint. A clearance fit has positive allowance, that is there is minimum positive clearance between high limit of the shaft and low limit of the hole. Clearance fit can be subclassified as follows. Loose fit. It is used between those matching part where no precision is required. It provides minimum allowance and is used on loose pulleys, agriculture machinery, etc. Running feet. For a running feet, the dimension of shaft should be smaller enough to maintain a film of oil for lubrication. It is used in bearing pair, etc. An allowance 0.025 mm per 25 mm of diameter of boring may be used. Side feet or medium feet. It is used on those matching parts where great precision is required. It provides medium allowance and a use in tool slides valve, automobile parts, etc. Example 20.1. A spindle slides freely in a bush. The basic size of the feet is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 mm. If the tolerances quoted are plus 62 for the holes and minus 80 to minus 180 for the shaft, find the upper limit and lower limit of the shaft and the minimum clearances. Solution. Tolerances are given in unit of 1,000 of millimeter. So the upper limit of the hole will be 50.062 mm and lower limit for the hole is the same as the basic size of 50.000 mm. The shaft upper limit will be 50.00 minus 0.080 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 49.92 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The shaft lower limit will be 50.00 minus 0.180 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 49.82 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The minimum clearance or allowance is 50.000 minus 49.920 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 8 into 10 to the power minus 5 mm. Interference feet. A negative difference between diameter of the hole and the shaft is called interference. In such cases, the diameter of the shaft is always larger than the hole diameter. In figure 20.2, interference feet has a negative allowance, that is, interference exists between the high limit of hole and low limit of the shaft. Figure 20.2, interference feet. In such a feet, the tolerance zone of the hole is always below that of the shaft. The shaft is assembled by pressure or heat expansion. The interference feet can be subclassified as follows: shrink feet or heavy force feet. It refers to maximum negative allowance in assembly of the hole and the shaft. The hole is expanded by heating and then rapidly cooled in its position. It is used in fitting of rims, etc. Medium force feet. These feet have medium negative allowance. Considerable pressure is required to assemble the hole and the shaft. It is used in car wheels, armature of dynamos, etc. Tight fit or press fit. One part can be assembled into the other with a hand hammer or by light pressure. A slight negative allowance exists between two matching parts more than ringing fit. It gives a semi-permanent fit and is used on a keyed pulley and shaft, rocker arm, etc. Example 20.2. A dowel pin is required to be inserted in a base. For this application, H7 feet for hole and a P6 feet for the shaft are chosen. The tolerance quoted are plus 25 for the whole and plus 42 to 26 for the shaft. Find the upper and lower limit of the hole and also dowel pin and the maximum interference between dowel pin and the hole. The basic size of the feet is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Solution. The upper limit for the hole will be 50.000 plus 0.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The lower limit for the hole will be 50.00 plus 0, 50.00 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The upper limit for dowel pin will be 50.000 plus 0.042 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50.042 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The lower limit for dowel pin will be 50.000 plus 0.026 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50.026 into 10 to the power minus 3 mm. The maximum interference between dowel pin and the hole is 50.042 minus 50.00 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 0.042 into 10 to the power minus 3 m equal 42 into 10 to the power minus 6 m. Transition feet. It may result in either clearance feet or interference feet depending on the actual value of the individual tolerances of the matching components. Transition feet are a compromise between clearance and interference feet. They are used for applications where accurate location is important but either a small amount of clearance or interference is permissible. As shown in figure 20.3, there is overlapping of tolerance zones of the hole and shaft. Transition feet can be subclassified as follows. Push feet. It refers to zero allowance and a light pressure 10 getting dowel spin etc. is required in assembling the hole and the shaft. The moving parts show least variation with this type of feet. It is also known as a snug fit, force fit or shrink fit. A force fit is used when the two matching parts are to be rigidly fixed so that one cannot move. without the other. It either requires high pressure to force the shaft into the hole or the hole to be expanded by heating. It is used in railway wheels, etc. Ringing feet. A slight negative allowance exists between two matching parts in ringing feet. It requires pressure to force the shaft into the hole and gives a light assembly. It is required in fixing key, pins, etc. Example 20.3. For a particular application, an H7 feet has been selected for the holes and a key 6 feet for the shaft. The tolerance quoted are plus 25 or 0 for the hole and plus 18 to 12 for the shaft. Find the upper limit and lower limit for the hole and also for bush. The basic size of feet is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Solution. The upper limit for the hole will be 50.000 plus 0.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The lower limit for the hole will be 50.00 plus 0 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50.000 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The upper limit for the bush will be 50.00 plus 0.018 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50.018 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The lower limit for the bush will be 50.000 plus 0.002 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal 50.002 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Systems of feet. A feet systems is the systems of a standard allowance to suit a specific range of basic size. If these standards allowance are selected properly and assigned in matching part, ensure a specific classes of feet. There are two systems of feet for obtaining clearance, interference and transition feet. These are hole basic system and shaft basic system. Hole basic system. In the hole basic system, the size of the hole is kept constant and shaft size are varied to obtain various types of feet. In this system, lower deviation of hole is 0. That is the low limit of hole is same as basic size. The high limit of the hole and the two limits of size for the shaft are then varied to give desired type of feet. The whole basic system is commonly used because it is more convenient to make correct hole of fixed size. Since the standard drills, taps, reamers, and branches, etc., are available for producing holes and their sizes are not adjustable. One, on the other hand, size of the shaft produced by turning, grinding, etc., can be very easily varied. Shaft basic systems. In the shaft basic system, the size of the shaft is kept constant and different fits are obtained by varying the size of the hole. Shaft basis system is used when the ground bars or drawn bar are readily available. These bars do not require further machining and fits are obtained by varying the size of the hole. In this system, the upper deviation, fundamental deviation of shaft is 0, that is the high limit of the shaft is same as basic size and the various fits are obtained by varying the low limit of shaft and both the limits of the hole. Tolerance and its classification. The permissible variation in size or dimension is tolerance. Thus, the word tolerance indicates that a worker is not expected to produce the part of the exact size, but definite a small size error is permitted. The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit of a dimension represent the margin for variation to workmanship and is called a tolerance zone. Tolerance can also be defined as the amount by which the job is allowed to go away from accuracy and perfectness without causing any functional trouble. When assembled with its matching part and put into actual service. Example 20.4. A shaft of 25 mm basic size is given as 25 plus minus 0.02 mm. Find the tolerance. Solution. The maximum permissible size equal 25.02 mm and the minimum permissible size lower 24.98 mm. Then tolerance upper limit minus lower limit 25.02 minus 24.98 equal 0.04 mm equal 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 m. There are two ways of writing tolerance: unilateral tolerance and bilateral tolerance. Unilateral tolerance, in this system, the dimension of a part is allowed to vary only on one side of the basic size, that is, tolerance lies wholly on one side of the basic size, either above or below it, figure 0.7 to 0.7. 25 plus 0.02 plus 0.01, 25 minus 0.02 minus 0.01, 25 minus 0.01 minus 0.02, 25 plus 00 minus 0.02, etc. Unilateral system is preferred in interchangeable manufacturer, especially when precision fit is required, because it is easy and simple to determine deviations. Another advantage of this system is that GO gauge and can be standardized, as the holes of different tolerance grades have the same lower limit and all the shafts have same upper limit, and this form of tolerance greatly assists the operator when matching of matching part. The operator machines to the upper limit of shaft, knowing fully well that he still has some margin left for machining before the parts are rejected. Bilateral tolerance. In the system, the dimension of the part is allowed to vary on both the sides of the basic size. That is, the limits of tolerance lie on either side of the basic size, but may not be necessarily. Figure 20.8, bilateral tolerance. Example of bilateral tolerance are 25 plus minus 0.02, 25 plus 0.02 minus 0.01, etc. In the system, it is not possible to retain the same fit when tolerance is varied and the basic size of one or both of the matching parts are to be varied. This system is used in mass production when machine setting is done for the basic size. Example 20.5. A 50 mm diameter shaft is made to rotate the bush. The tolerances for both shaft and bush are 0.050 mm. Determine the dimension of the shaft and bush to give a maximum clearance of 0.075 mm with the whole basic system. Solution. In the whole basic system, lower deviation of hole is 0. Therefore, low limits of hole equal 50 mm. High limit of hole equal low limit plus tolerance. 50.00 plus 0.050 equal 50.050 mm equal 50.05 into 10 to the power 3 minus 3 m. High limit of shaft equal low limit of hole minus allowance. Equal 50.00 minus 0.075 equal 49.925 mm equal 49.925 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Low limits of the shaft equal high limits minus tolerance equal 49.925 minus 0.050 equal 49.875 mm equal 49.875 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. The dimension of the system is shown in figure 3.8. Example 20.6. For each of the following hole and shaft, assembly finds shaft tolerance, hole tolerance and state whether the types of fit is clearance, transition and interference. 1. Hole 50 plus 0.025 plus 0.00 mm. Shaft 50 plus 0.05 plus 0.005 mm. Hole 30 plus 0.05 plus 0.00 mm. Shaft 30 minus 0.02 plus 0.05 mm. Third, hole 25 mm plus 0.04 plus 0.00 mm. Shaft 25 plus 0.06 plus 0.04 mm. Solution. A. Hole high limits of hole equal 50.025 mm. Low limits of hole 50 mm. Hole tolerance equal 50.025 minus 50 equal 0.025 mm equal 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 m. Shaft high limit of shaft equal 50.05 mm. Low limit of shaft equal 50.005 mm. Shaft tolerance equal 50.05 minus 50.005 equal 0.045 mm. 45 into 10 to the power minus 6 m. If we choose high limits of hole with high limits of shaft, then allowance equal 50.025 minus 50.05 equal minus 0.025 interference. Similarly, if we choose low limits of hole and either high limits of low limits of shaft, it is clear that there will be interference. Thus, we conclude that the types of fit is transition fit. B. Hole high limit equal 30.05 mm. Low limit 30.00 mm. Tolerance 0.05 mm equal 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 m. Shaft high limit 30 minus 0.02 equal 29.98 mm. Low 30 minus 0.05 equal 29.95 mm. Tolerance 29.98 minus 29.95 equal 0.03 mm equal 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 m. If we select high limit of hole and high limits of shaft, then allowance 30.05 minus 29.98 equal 0.07 mm. If we choose low limit of hole and high limits of shaft, then allowance equal 30 minus 0.00 minus 29.98 equal 0.02 mm. Thus we conclude that the types of fit is clearance. Hole high limits equal 25.04. Low limit 25.00 mm. Tolerance 25.04 minus 25 equal 0.04 mm equal 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 m. Shaft high limit equal 5.06 mm. Low limit 25.04 mm. Tolerance 25.04 minus 25.04 equal 0.02 mm equal 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 m. If we select high limit of shaft and low limit of hole, then allowance equal 25.00 minus 25.06 equal minus 0.06 mm equal minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 m. It is clear that for any combination of hole and shaft allowance will be negative. Thus, we conclude that the types of fit is interference fit.